How to fix Snapchat account locked for violating guidelines. So if your account also has been locked by Snapchat, if you have violated some sort of guidelines, then there are two things that you can do. If it is a temporary lock, then you can go ahead and unlock yourself. What you can do is open up a web browser, search for unlock Snapchat account, and make sure that you log in with your credentials. As soon as you do that, if your account is actually locked, then you'll straight away see a screen of entering in your username and password, and then you'll have the option or a button which says unlock. As soon as you do that, your account should be unlocked. But if it is not a temporary unlock and if you have violated the community guidelines, then what you can do is once you open up the app of Snapchat, have this notification which you can appeal by tapping on the appeal decision, and through this method you can exactly add in your situation that you are facing, and make sure that you enter in a polite message. You'll also need to enter in your username and a few other information. Now once you make this appeal, it may take 24 to 48 hours before Snapchat reaches you. But however, if your account is permanently banned, you won't be able to retrieve it. Only if your account is temporarily banned and you violated some minor issues or minor guidelines, only then you will be able to retrieve your account back. So I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. That's gonna be all for today. I'm gonna see you in the next video.